Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you back to my channel. In this Amazon KDP guide, I am going to be showing you step by step how you can locate the correct category for your book when publishing on Amazon KDP. It is very important that you choose the right or the correct category for your book before clicking publish on Amazon KDP. If you don't choose the right category, it will affect your click-through rate negatively. Let's say for example your book is about fitness and you add your book to the category that is related to business. People that will be seeing your book will not click on it, and that is going to affect your click-through rate and your traffic, your book performance in general. So it is very important that you pick the correct category for your book. Also, if the wrong people are seeing your book, because of they have little or no interest in your book, you're not going to be making any sales. The whole idea of publishing to Amazon KDP in the first place is to make sales, okay? Is to give value to the correct audience. And one of the best way to make sure that your book reach the correct audience is to put in the correct category before hitting publish on Amazon KDP. Now, I'm going to go to my Amazon Kindle. Normally, before hitting publish, you need to fill in the form, your book title, subtitle, and all this information right here. Description, tags, author details, and finally, at the bottom right here, after your keywords, you're going to see choose category. When you click on choose category, you're going to see a structured tree. It is structured in such a way that it can be expanded and collapsed. Once you expand it, you see that you see something else that you need to also expand. If I have a book about children, it is going to take a very long time before I locate my book. Let's say I'm doing Amazon KDP for the first time, and that is very time consuming. That is why I'm making this video, so you don't face that problem. Because if you are looking for a book and it's taking you forever, that time you would have used it to do something more beneficial. So to cut this long story short, when you're here, go to a new tab and visit the website called bookbolt.io. So I'm going to go to bookbolt.io and hit enter. Once you go to bookbolt.io, you're going to be seeing this page in front of you. Hover over this area that says resources and you're going to see 4 links. Click on the first one that says KDP Category Finder. Once you click on KDP Category Finder, it's going to take you to the next page where you are going to be seeing a search bar. Okay, this search bar, what you'll be doing is to put in the related keyword to your book. So if my book is about fitness, I'm going to type in fitness and hit search. Once I hit search, I'll see a bunch of categories. Now, under fitness, there are a lot of things. That is why you see a lot of different categories. So all you have to do is look at the available categories and choose the one that is closest to what your book is about. So if your book is all about exercising, then this should be the ideal one to choose. So you are going to look at this and use it as a reference to navigate on this page right here. So for example, if I want my book to be under this particular category, I'm going to go and see and click on non-fiction, health and fitness before I click on exercise. So I'm going to go back to this page, click on non-fiction, expand it, scroll down a bit to H, look for health and fitness, expand it, then scroll down a bit and look for exercise and tick it. Once you tick it, you can click save or you can tick another one. Amazon KDP allows you to choose a maximum of 2. Okay, so I've chosen the first one, which is the one that is closest to my book, which is about exercise. I'll look for the second closest to exercise. Okay, so as you can see, we have non-fiction, health and fitness, general. This is very broad. Non-fiction, sexuality, healing, holism, homeopathy, infertility, men's health. So if, for example, I'm making a fitness book specifically for men, then choosing men's health wouldn't be a bad idea. Okay, so for this purpose, let's say I'm making a book about fitness for men, that's men training, then I'm going to choose men's health. So non-fiction, health and fitness, men's health. So I'm going to go back here and look for men's health. Remember, it's following the same 3, so I don't need to show you how to go. This is men's health here, so I'm going to click on men's health. If I try to click on another one, you see that you may only select 2 categories for your book. Okay, so I'm going to click on save, and at the bottom here you're going to see 2 of my categories. So that's basically how to choose the correct category for your book on Amazon KDP before publishing. If you enjoyed this video, do well to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so in my next video that will be popping up after this video, I'm going to teach you how you can actually create children's storybook, unlimited children's storybook using AI. If you're interested in creating unlimited children's storybook using artificial intelligence, then check out that video. It is a full video, it's a long video, well detailed explanations that is going to help you start making money passively with Amazon KDP. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.